If you are looking for the best portable espresso machine to enjoy a good coffee wherever you are, this video is for you. We will see together the 3 best machines of the moment. The links and prices are in the description just below. Stay until the end to make the right choice according to your needs and your budget. In the top 3, we have the Wakako Nanopresso. This brand is known for its portable coffee makers that are both compact and efficient. The Nanopresso works without electricity, only with manual pressure. Its patented system allows you to obtain an espresso rich in aromas with a beautiful cream worthy of professional machines. With a pressure of up to 18 bars, coffee extraction is optimal. In terms of maintenance, everything can be easily disassembled for quick and efficient cleaning. The pluses: its ultra-compact format, 15 centimeters long and 336 grams. Its ease of use and the exceptional quality of the coffee obtained. Customers love its frothy espresso, its economical side and its adaptability to pods or ground coffee. The coffee is delicious and the foam is perfect. I take it everywhere with me, says a satisfied user. A little difficult to press at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's a real pleasure, shares another. On the other hand, some find that the outlet temperature is a little low, that the capacity of the tank is limited to 80 milliliters, and that the grip requires a little force to press correctly. Advantages: ultralight, no electricity needed. High pressure, 18 bars. Disadvantages: limited tank. Coffee temperature. In the top 2, we have the Conqueco portable coffee machine. If you want an electric machine that can heat water automatically, this is a very interesting option. It works with a rechargeable battery and prepares hot coffee in just 4 to 5 minutes. Its 15-bar high-pressure pump guarantees a creamy espresso, with perfect extraction of aromas. It is compatible with Nespresso capsules and compatible capsules, which makes it very practical when traveling or in the office. Its strong points: fast heating, a decent autonomy of several extractions per charge, compatibility with several types of capsules and great ease of use. Customers love its modern design and its practicality on the go. Really practical for the office, the coffee is excellent and the battery lasts well. Comments: one buyer. Too bad the tank is a little small, but otherwise it's great. Adds another. On the downside, the 50 milliliters water tank could be bigger, and its weight of 880 grams is a bit high for a portable machine. Also, some users find that the battery recharge time is a bit long. Its dimensions of 25 centimeters long and 880 grams make it more imposing than the Wakako. Advantages: heats water automatically. Compatible with Nespresso capsules. Very easy to use. Disadvantages: limited water tank, 50 milliliters. Not compatible with ground coffee. In top 1, we have the Outin Nano. This machine is a real revolution in the field of portable espresso machines. It combines innovation and performance with its ultra-fast heating system that reaches 92 degrees Celsius in just 200 seconds. Its 20 bars pressure ensures perfect extraction of aromas with a creamy cream, comparable to that of professional machines. It works with ground coffee or capsules and recharges via USB-C, which makes it very practical for mobile use. The pluses: its ultra-simple use, its high-quality coffee, its elegant and modern design, as well as its rapid heating, which makes it unbeatable for those who do not want to wait too long. Its autonomy allows you to prepare several espressos with a single charge, ideal for coffee lovers on the go. I am amazed by the quality of the coffee. It is as good as with a professional machine. Enthuses one user. The heating is super fast. It is perfect for my travels, says another. Some users, however, Find that the tank capacity is a bit limited at 50 milliliters, and that the autonomy could be improved for prolonged uses without recharging. It measures 23 centimeters long and weighs 700 grams, which places it between the Conqueco and the Wakako in terms of size. Advantages: ultra-fast heating system, powerful pressure of 20 bars, compatible with capsules and ground coffee. Disadvantages: limited water tank, 50 milliliters, higher price. In summary, Wakako Nanopresso, for purist coffee lovers who want a 100% manual, compact and economical machine. Conqueco, for those looking for an electric solution with a rechargeable battery. Ideal for capsules. Out in Nano, for those who want the best of the best in performance and speed, with an ultra-fast heating system and maximum pressure. For a high-end model offering rapid heating and perfect extraction. Feel free to tell us in the comments what you thought of it. The links and prices of the products are in the description just below. And don't hesitate to subscribe to be informed of each new video. See you soon for a new video. See you soon.